Hello guys, welcome back to my channels, and today I'm going to talk about the Streamlabs, how to use Streamlabs on your phone. And if you don't have system, computer, if you don't have laptop, and if you want to stream, if you want to capture your gameplay, or if you have any kind of if you want to capture any video, and that if you want to stream through the Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch, all right. So today I will let you know. All right. So here, first of all, so you need two phones, all right. So one phone you'll be using Streamlabs, all right, in order to capture your gameplay, all right, in order to capture the video. That will be the Streamlabs phone, and the other one will be you'll be playing a game, all right. You'll be doing something on your phone, you'll be playing a game, so you want to capture that device. So you need tripod. First of all, you need to set up your tripod and put the Streamlabs phone on your tripod, and down there you need to capture your gameplay phone or iPad, all right. So I will show you how to log in and how to set up all these things on your phone, on the Streamlabs phone. So on this phone I'll download a Streamlabs app from the App Store. Go to the App Store and type Streamlabs, right. So you need to download the first one. So I already downloaded. So you just downloaded the apps. Okay, so I will show you how to set up the Streamlabs, how to link your Facebook or YouTube. Go to the left side, go to the setting, and you have to connect from here. So I'll just show you. All right. Okay, so now it shows Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or any kind of mixer or any other platform. All right, there's a lot of platform to stream. So you have the other option, that is to paste the stream key and all right. So you can go to your Google Chrome, and you can go to YouTube page, and you can copy this the stream key and all, you can paste, and you can do it in this way as well. So I'm going to log in with my Facebook. Choose your Facebook gaming page, on which page you want to stream. Choose the gaming page, and I'll choose one page just to test the stream. Next, you have to turn on everything here. Turn on, done. So you're already linked to Streamlabs. So now you're good to go, and you can go to the Streamlabs dashboard, and you can start your stream. So now you're already connected to the Facebook page, gaming page. I will go over here, and now so the middle one is to you need to click that one to go to live, and down the dashboard, this one is your event list. It'll pop up alert. That is the alert box, and the left one is your chat box. And you can drag your event list, you can drag your alert box according to your screen. You can set up here, you can make it bigger or you make it smaller, all right. And the down one is your subscriber goal or follower goal, all right. You can drag small and big, all right. After set up everything, all right, go to the left side bar. So once you set up everything, click on the middle one and choose your gaming page. Put your title and description. All right, so I'll just put it taste video. Next, let's start. All right, so this Streamlabs phone, you need to put on your tripod, and you need to capture your gaming phone or gaming iPad and all. And once you click the middle one, that will be go through the Facebook page. All right, and you can see your viewer, you can see your friend and all, you can see your chat over here on the screen. Okay, so the stream is on, the stream is running. All right, so once you start the streaming, on the left side, did you see that the Wi-Fi signal and the FPS, on which FPS you're running, and the internet speed, and the left side chart, and the right side evenlies, and the red one, the right side, the gaming duration will be shown there, and the down one is the green one is your sub goal, and that will be your viewer chat, and you can even reply to your viewer as well. You can type the message and all. But on this phone you will not play the game, but this will be your capture phone. All right, the second one, you have to play the game on that phone or iPad or any kind of device you're using. So you need to capture with your Streamlabs phone. You need to put on your tripod, capture your gaming phone, and that game will be go to the Facebook or YouTube. Okay, that's it. So I already started the stream, so I got a notification. All right, so right now I'm streaming from this phone. Let me show you. All right, so now you can see the stream. I'm watching my stream, which is capturing from the Streamlabs phone. So that one, the right one is your evenly, and the down one green is a sub goal. So you can do the stream in this way. You don't need, if you don't have computer and all, so you can do this in this way. All right. Yeah. So you need to have tripod, your phone, to put your Streamlabs phone on your tripod, adjust it on your gaming table, capture your iPad or phone, gaming phone, just like that. Okay, so that's it. This is live. That's it. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you do like, please give me a thumbs up, and if you do have any question about Streamlabs, please comment below, and do subscribe to my channel. If you click the red button, I'll be happy, and please support me, and see you next time. Bye bye.